Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover a new NDAA compliant drone that's set to launch soon. Our second story talks about an update on remote ID and how it's also coming shortly. And finally, we'll talk about Wing and how they are unveiling a new autoloader for faster drone deliveries. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Flyroute is looking for a drone pilot in Denver, Colorado. Legacy PSG is looking for a drone pilot in Lubbock, Texas. American Staffing Partner is looking for a Part 107 drone pilot in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. And Griffin Aerospace is looking for a UAS external pilot in Madison, Alabama. I also wanted to add that this is your last week to enter this month's photo and video submission contest and have a chance at winning free access to our new Skill Builder course. In the course, you'll learn useful drone training tips to improve your piloting skills, capture stunning drone footage, and more. June's challenge is all about sunsets, so make sure to enter your best sunset photos and videos for a chance to win. We've already received some great submissions. With that said, let's fly in. US-based drone company Inspired Flight Technology has launched a new NDAA compliant drone called the IF800 Tomcat. The NDAA is the National Defense Authorization Act, and it defines what the Department of Defense can buy. The Tomcat has a 40-minute battery life, can carry payloads that weigh up to 6.6 pounds, and sells for $18,000 or more depending on add-ons. The big selling feature for the Tomcat is its NDAA compliance, which means that the drone doesn't contain parts made by non-compliant companies, usually located in China or other foreign countries deemed to be untrustworthy. Our next story covers how the FAA's remote ID requirements will go into effect on September 16th. Skydio, DJI, and several other drone companies have been steadily rolling out updates for the drones to make them compliant. These graphics show 3 ways you can meet remote ID rules. All drones, whether from recreationally or commercially, will have to comply with the remote ID requirements. The only exceptions are if you fly a drone that weighs less than 250 grams and you fly it only for recreation purposes, or if you fly a drone at an FAA-recognized identification area. If you're in the market for a new drone, keep an eye out for whether the specific model you're considering complies with remote ID yet. If it doesn't, see what the timeline is and make sure the company you're buying from is taking steps to ensure that its drones will be compliant by September 16th. And finally, Wing recently shared plans to create a decentralized network. What does this mean? Well, it creates ways for a new model in which delivery drones will stay in the field once they leave the warehouse, picking up new packages, making deliveries, and charging as needed. For this model to work, businesses will need a way to load the drones quickly, and that's where the Wing's autoloader comes in. This video details how the process will work, and if you want to watch the rest of it, click the link down below. And before we wrap up, I wanted to give you one last reminder to submit your best drone sunset photos and videos for a chance to win free access to our new Skill Builder course. Again, it's the first link in the description. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about the new IF800 Tomcat drone? And what about Wing's auto load system? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you enjoy the first official weekend of summer. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.